Hello binary friends, hope you are doing well and your trading journey is going great. Today, I'm sharing some trades with you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Now, back to the chart. This is the US dollar to Japanese yen pair. As you can see, price was moving inside an uptrend trend line, but it got rejected from the resistance area twice. This shows that buyers are becoming weak and there is a strong possibility that sellers may take control. Based on this confirmation, we are looking for a good entry for a down trade. Let's wait for the result and see how the market reacts. It's a nice win. As you can see, price broke the trend line, and strong seller candles show that the market may continue moving downward. Because of this confirmation, we are looking for another down setup and will take a new entry only if we get a good price level. Patience and confirmation are key. Let's wait and see how the market moves. This is the euro to pound sterling OTC market. With the right knowledge and confirmation, you can trade almost any market. The most important things are strong concepts and a clear understanding of market behavior. Supply and demand also play an important role. If you look at the chart, the market is in a downtrend, but it is forming a double bottom near the trend line. The price action and momentum show that the market may try to move toward the upper trend line. Based on this analysis, we are considering a call trade. More interestingly, the 2-minute candles confirm a 6-pattern setup, which has an 85 to 90% probability of moving upward. I'm waiting for a clean entry. Let's wait for the result and see how the market reacts.